No.
Anyone else? All okay?
Question 4, bro.
4, okay. So you are 4. Rishabh and Simandeep, you all got any problem?
No, all good, bro, all good.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay, all good. Okay, cooking gas cylinder, how many hydrogen atoms are there? Okay, they want atoms. So first thing you do, you cari your mole dulu. Mole of the molecule, okay? The molecule punya mole is 1. So what are you going to do now? Mole is number of particles over Avogadro constant. So number of particles for 1 mole is going to be 1 mole times 6.02 10 power 23. So you have this many propane molecules. In your propane, you have 8 hydrogen atoms. So you just kali 8. Why? Because they ask you hydrogen atoms. Here 8. So just times 8. Can understand or not, bro?
Can understand, bro.
Good. Okay. Now we move on to here. 5 chicken, 6 apple, 7 boy, 8 chicken, 9 boy, and 10 donkey. Anyone got any problem or not?
Number 7.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay, I'm assuming all okay. We continue. All right. The distinct smell, blah, 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 blah. Okay. What is the empirical formula? Empirical formula. So simplest ratio of atoms of an element in a compound. So technically, from this, you're going to have to guess your compound punya ratio lah. So you have your carbon, your oxygen, your hydrogen, your sulfur. What did I tell you guys? If they give you percentages, automatically assume 100% is 100 gram. So I want you to assume this is 44.4 grams of carbon. Okay, tekan your calculator. Wait, let me go take my calculator. Okay, 44.44 divided by 12. You will get 3.7, 3.70 lah. Okay, that is mass over molar mass. So this is going to be 3.7 mole. Now hydrogen, 6.21 gram over 1. So 6.21 mole. Sulfur, 39.5 gram divided by 32 molar mass. 1.23 mole. Lastly, oxygen, 9.86 gram divided by what? Divided by oxygen, 16. 0.62 mole. So out of all these, oxygen paling kecil. Okay? So your mole ratio going to be based on oxygen. So your mole ratio, 0.62 divided 0.62 is 1. 1.23 divided 0.62 is 1.98. Basically 2. 6.21 divided 0.62. 10.01. Which is basically 10. You got 3 already. You can almost find your answer. Look here. Hydrogen, you got 10. Sulfur, you got 2. Oxygen, you got 1. So confirm your carbon is 6. Tak payah buat pun, you dah boleh agak. Can understand or not, Manisha?
Can understand.
Okay. And everyone else, if all clear, can you let me know?
Clear, bro.
Okay. 11, 12, 13, DCB. Donkey, chicken, boy. Who got any problem? Wow. All correct, guys. 11, 12, 13.
Yes, bro.
Wow, that's good. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of relative atomic mass? Okay, I'm going on to section A already. What is the meaning? This one is just definition. This is why I told you, you all have to hafal your definition. Sometimes you'll do one like that, 1 mark, maximum 2 marks, won't be more. Okay. Relative atomic mass of an element is the average mass of an atom of the element compared to 1/12 the mass of a carbon-12 atom. The average mass of an atom of the element compared to 1/12 the mass of C12 atom. Okay, now give one reason why carbon-12 is used. It is what? Can react with many elements. Or you can say stable. What else you can say? Highly abundant in nature. All these are acceptable answers. Based on figure 1, state the relative atomic mass. This is 12. 12 times 4, 48. Guys, am I going too fast or everything okay?
Everything okay, bro.
All right. Rishabh, too fast or all okay? Okay, I continue. Okay, in an investigation, Y reacts with bromine to form this. Okay, keyword here, not bromine, bromine gas. So Br2. So Y tambah Br2, you get YBr4. Remember what I taught you? When it comes to balancing chemical equation, we are looking at least common multiple. So if here is 2, here is 4, you need to add another 2 here. Y tak payah tambah apa-apa. Why? Because here 1, here also 1. So this is your equation. Okay, interpret the chemical equation. This one, what they want you to do is, they want you to write a sentence actually. So what they want you to write, 1 mole of Y, okay, reacts with 2 moles of Br2 gas to produce 1 mole of YBr4. Okay, using the relative atomic mass, okay, using the relative atomic mass of element Y from your answer in 1C. So that means the relative atomic mass is 48, okay? Calculate the number of moles of bromine gas required. Calculate the number of moles of bromine gas required to react completely with this. So what you do? Look at the equation one more time. And what we're going to look at now, we're going to look at mole and mole ratio, which I taught you guys. So first of all, Y is 3.6 divide 48. What do you get? You will get 0.075 mole. Your mole ratio is 1 to 2. So if here's 0.075, here will be 0.15 mole of bromine gas. Can you understand?
Can.
June. Okay. Lastly, 9.6 grams of Y reacts with 6.4 gram oxygen. Determine the empirical formula. Okay. So how are we going to do that? What is the mole of oxygen first? 6.4 divide 16 dulu. You will get 0.4 mole. Now, why 9.6? Okay, why 9.6? Molar mass 48. Sorry, not mass of Y, moles of Y. You'll get mass over molar mass. Molar mass is 48 this now. 9.6 over 48. You'll get 0.2. Remember, when it comes to empirical formula, you are taking the smallest one, yeah? So this one, your ratio will be 1. This one, your ratio will be 2. So, what is your empirical formula? It will be YO2. Can you understand or not, guys?
Can, bro.
All clear, guys? Anyone blur anywhere?
Clear, bro.
June. Okay, now let's go on to section B. This is our last question for tonight. And then we'll be done for the day. Okay. 1 P atom, twice the mass of 1 Q atom, yeah? P here is what? P atom, twice the mass Q atom. So if Q atom mass is maybe X, P atom is 2X. 10 P atoms equal mass 7 R atoms. Okay? 10 P atom equals 7 R atoms. Relative atomic mass of P is 28. Okay. Determine the relative atomic masses of Q and R. Then arrange the elements in ascending order relative atomic mass. Okay, they gave you relative atomic mass of P, yeah? P they gave you already. So 2X is 28. X is 14. Meaning your Q is 14, yeah? Now, 10 P atoms is the same as 7 R atoms. This is your P atom. Okay, this is your P. What does that mean? Your P is now 28. 2X 28. 28, 10 is 7 R atoms. I changed the A to R, easy to understand. So 280 equals 7 R. R is 40. So in arranging ascending order, okay, you will get Q, P, R. Understand or not, guys?
Understand.
Okay. Explain why a sample of 14 grams of P, okay? A sample of 14 grams of P equal number of atoms as that in a 20 gram sample of R. Can anyone try and give me this answer? Jaya, can you try?
My answer is QRP, bro.
Oh, you're talking for the first one.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
First one is QPR, bro. I was asking, okay, if you got QPR wrong, can you check if it was a careless mistake or a calculation problem? Can you check?
Okay, for bro.
Okay. Vanessa, your answer for 2A2? Managed to do or not?
Second Roman.
Sorry, louder?
Which question? First one or second one?
This one, second one.
I got 0.5 mole atoms.
Okay, this one is 0.5 mole, correct? This one also 0.5 mole, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You get the mole calculation for both, you get 2 marks. Now, your explanation is another 2 marks. So can you explain why or not, guys? Vanessa, any answer?
I didn't do the explanation.
Okay. If you get the mole, you get 2 out of 4 marks. The explanation is what? 0.5 mole, 0.5 mole. The explanation is 0.5 mole of P has the same number of atoms as 0.5 mole Q atoms. Okay, equal mole, equal atoms. Now, you must find after that, to prove this, you must do Avogadro constant. Mole, number particle over Avogadro constant. So number of particle is mole times Avogadro. you need to prove it. So 0.5 times 6.02 times 10 power 23. Here also, both of these, you will get 3.01 times 10 power 23 atoms. So this is, you find your mole 1 mark, you find your mole 1 mark, you write your explanation that same mole has same number of atoms 1 mark, and then you calculate the number of atoms 1 more mark. That's how you get 4 marks for this question. Understand or not?
Understand, bro.
Alright, Jaya, do you still want me to explain 2A1, this one, or you can go through it by yourself when I upload the video? Which one you want?
I understand it, bro.
So your mistake, was it careless or you didn't know before this?
I didn't know.
Alright, got it. Okay, now R is a reactive metal that can react with oxygen to form metal oxide, okay? Describe briefly how you can determine the empirical formula. Did anyone try to do this or not? Did anyone try? Nobody. Okay, I'm assuming nobody lah, all quiet ni. Okay, this is actually your magnesium oxide punya experiment, which I told you all about. The one you crucible, you angkat lekat, that one. So, from everything you've told me and everything I understand, this will come out in your amali, not really here, you know. So I think this is just put here for the sake of helping you understand your amali. Because like I said, I've never seen this type of question even during my time. Chemistry format hasn't changed much since my time. I haven't seen this type of question before. I am very sure it won't come out, but I will double confirm and let you know. So for this one, I will just take photo of the answer scheme and send to you all in the group. Is that okay?
Okay, bro.
Okay, then we move on to the last part here. The empirical formula should be C2H2. Who got this? Can you open your mic and tell me?
I got the answer.
Nice. What about Jaya?
I didn't get it, bro.
Okay. Simadeep, bro, you got try or not?
I got try, but the wrong answer.
Wrong answer. Okay, no problem. I explain. Okay, Vanisha, can we do something interesting a bit? I want you to tell me what steps to do. Okay, tell me what to start with.
Start with the C and H, the mass and number of mole and then the ratio.
So what you are saying is, you want me to change all this to 100 grams first, is it?
Yes.
Okay, so this one 92.3 grams. This one 7.7 grams. So first thing you guys must write is, assume that hydrocarbon W mass is 100 grams. You must write this sentence first. Okay, then cari mole. Moles of carbon, correct or not, Vanisha?
Yes.
Okay, moles of carbon, moles of hydrogen, 92.3 over 12, 7.7 over 1. Moles, dua-dua, you will dapat 1. Okay, now, you will get this. So now the thing is, look at the question, guys. Empirical formula and molecular formula. So now your mole is like this, 1 and 1. So your ratio is also 1 and 1. Okay, so your empirical formula is like this now. So, how to know what is your actual molecular formula? CH N equals 26. CH is how much, guys? CH is total 13. Correct or not? 13 because 12 plus 1. So 13 and 26, N is 2. So your CH, you will multiply by 2. So you'll get what? C2H2. Simadi, bro, clear or not?
Yeah, clear.
Jaya, all okay?
Yeah, okay, bro.
Okay, Vanusha, your steps and my steps got anything different a bit or not?
No, all the same only.
All the same. Did you do in